In this video, I will show you how to invite friends in Revolut. To do this, go and open up Revolut, and from the home screen, usually you will already be able to see refer a friend, earn whatever amount. If you don't see it yet, just click on your initials in the top left, then from here click invite friends. Then here you will see how much you can earn and stuff like that. You can also see these steps, so they need to sign up with your link and verify their identity, then add money to their account and make a few purchases. If they do that within the time frame, then you can earn the reward for inviting them. Now to actually invite friends, just click on the blue or purple invite friends button at the bottom of the screen, and then from there you can click copy link, or you can share it on WhatsApp, Messenger, or you can click more to share it somewhere else. Now if you just copy your link and send it to a friend and then they follow these steps, then you will earn the reward. So that's how to invite friends in Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.